So I really enjoyed Jared's program. I can't believe how much I can relate, first of all, to when he started talking about how he was feeling, when he said, instead of saying how he was truly feeling, he would say, you know, I'm okay, I'm just tired. If I could tell you how many times I've said that in my life, if I had $1 for every time, I could retire from education right now. And I think students would definitely appreciate those sentiments too. I thought just the program itself was very authentic and from the heart. It did not sound, like a motivational speaker. It just sounded like someone's life experiences. So I feel that I'm a person who has a lot of empathy, but as a school principal, I feel now that I want to go back to my building and sort of rewrite what I'm doing tomorrow morning for the staff meeting, because I want to start, I think, with just maybe letting people talk about how they're feeling about starting the school year. Do they have anxiety? Are they nervous? Are they excited? What did they do over the summer? Just kind of us reconnecting together as a staff so that we're ready to do that same thing with kids, because I really feel the beginning of the year is it just needs to be about relationships. It needs to be about what are we dealing with in our real everyday life. Yes, it's of course about learning. I mean, that's the focus of school, but you really can't learn unless you have that connection. And I think Jared talking about all of that it hit the nail right on the head. If you don't have those relationships and that connection, you're not going to be able to get to the tough stuff. I don't know, it just really spoke to me.